Hi, my name is Sam and today I'll be showing you around this gorgeous Jaguar E-Pace. It's the D150 R Dynamic S finished in Caesium Blue. Starting with the front, this vehicle features the menacing gloss black grille with the matching gloss black surrounds, along with the lower black side intakes and the R Dynamic body kit, as you can see combining to create an aggressive look. This vehicle also comes equipped with the AWD headlights with the signature daytime running lights, not only looking the part but also helping in a range of different driving conditions. This vehicle wears the gorgeous 18-inch 5-spoke gloss black alloy wheels which complement the car really well, along with the gloss black Jaguar S side vent and body coloured auto dimming door mirrors. This vehicle also features gloss black window surround along with rear privacy glass, which is ideal for backseat passengers, and yet another look now at those fantastic 18-inch alloy wheels. And stepping away now, you can really begin to appreciate just how gorgeous this Jaguar E-Pace looks. Progressing towards the rear of the vehicle, and you are presented with a sporty integrated body coloured roof spoiler, along with continued rear privacy glass and relevant chrome Jaguar E-Pace D150 badging, and of course the amazing LED rear tail lamps and lower black bumper with dual exhausts. This vehicle features an electric tailgate, which means one simple button press will automatically open the boot lid, revealing that huge 577 litre boot, which could comfortably accommodate multiple carry-on suitcases or cater for a range of additional activities. To close, simply press the button located here and the boot lid will close automatically, a really nice and convenient feature. Jumping inside now, and you're presented with a breathtaking light oyster leather interior, where our dynamic metal tread plates greet you upon arrival, along with the multifunctional leather steering wheel and semi-digital instrument cluster. The neatly designed centre console follows a built-in touchscreen display, along with a leather-trimmed gear selector and Jaguar 80-watt sound system, along with the fantastic light oyster leather seats, which are also heated and come with electrical adjustments. Upon starting the vehicle, you are presented with a clean semi-digital instrument cluster, which is really responsive as demonstrated, along with a central 8-inch touchscreen display, which provides access to a range of functions as shown here. Navigation presents you with a clean and responsive layout, allowing you to input all relevant travel data quickly and easily, meaning that you'll get to your next destination in no time at all. Media is also equipped, allowing you to choose from a wide array of radio stations, meaning that you will never miss a beat. Additionally, the phone option can also be accessed, allowing you to pair your device via Bluetooth, which is ideal for conducting hands-free calls, and the heated seat options can also be accessed, perfect for those cold winter mornings. Lastly, the rear reversing camera can also be viewed, and when selecting reverse, yellow guidelines will appear, helping you to get in and out of those tight spaces. Lower down houses the dual zone climate control, which is perfect for setting individual temperatures between you and your passenger, along with additional driving modes, and armrest storage, which houses a 12V power socket along with dual cup holders. The rear interior is just as nice as the front, featuring matching light oyster rear leather seats, which are complete with integrated ice fix points. The interior also benefits from rear luggage netting and dual air vents with a 12V power socket. The rear passengers can also benefit from a retractable armrest, which houses space for 2 cups and additional storage. If this breathtaking Jaguar E-Pace is something that you are interested in or would like further information about, then please do not hesitate to get in touch with a member of our sales team at Jaguar Crewe on 01270 445 200, and they will be more than happy to help. Thank you.